Did you know that lighting can interrupt sleep? That's right, the displays in our phones and computers, and even the lighting in our homes, can keep us awake. This contributes to lost productivity, cognitive decline, and even cancer. You see, our bodies recognize blue light as daytime. When there's blue, it's day, and when there's no blue, it's night. But modern sources of white light emit all colors, including blue, so our bodies are tricked into thinking it's daytime, even when it's not. Bedtime bulb is a low blue light bulb for healthy sleep. It provides warm, comfortable light, so it's perfect for that final hour of the day. In addition, 1.5 billion people still rely on unsafe, unhealthy, and expensive kerosene lighting. We are going to give the gift of healthy lighting with every bedtime bulb purchased. Visit bedtimebulb.com to join our mission and to rid the world of unhealthy light.